To add a widget to the home screen on the Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, you can, for example, press and hold your finger on an empty space on the home screen. Then at the bottom of the screen you will find widgets options, so we should be able to go here. And most likely you will find some of the Xiaomi widgets that of course you can use if you want to, but we are looking most likely for Android widgets over here. And then you will find the list of all of these apps that you have installed that offer widgets. So let's say I'm gonna choose this Google Drive widget over here. I can just press and hold my finger on this widget and then I'm gonna drop it anywhere I want it to be. So let's say I'm gonna add it in here. And there we go, the widget has been added. What you can also do is, if you have an app on the home screen from which you want to get a widget, then you can press and hold your finger on the app, and then over here we have Add Widgets option. Then you will see widgets only from this app, of course as long as this app offers some widgets. So now we can press and hold our finger on that widget and we're gonna drop it anywhere you want it to be. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.